To log out of your account on Binance, or how to log out your Binance account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your account on Binance. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log out of Binance, you can simply go ahead and open up Binance first, where you'll be logged into your account. Here, in order to log out, simply tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left. Once you tap on it here, all you have to do is you want to simply tap on your ID. There you can see my nickname, you can see arrow icon here, you can tap on it here, and at the bottom you can see the option to switch account and log out. If you wish to switch account, you can tap on switch account and add in another account detail and switch the account, or if you simply wish to log out, tap on logout and you will be easily logged out of your account. So this is how you can log out of the Binance account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.